Hey guys, it's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video. Today I am sharing with you guys my product stash, which I shared with you guys before, but I'm in the process of reorganizing and rearranging things, and as you guys can see, my product stash is like super unorganized right now, at least to me. I had it grouped up, which is not grouped up like that anymore, but I had it grouped up to the point where everything was grouped with their brand. So for example, I had like Niche Beauty up here, Allocate Naturals down here, Curls and Potions up here, so on and so forth. But as my journey is going, I'm realizing that system just doesn't work for me. I'd rather have it where I group like shampoos together, deep conditioners together, so on and so forth, just because I don't have every single product of every brand that I have anymore. I usually just buy what I know I like from that brand and just keep it moving. So it just doesn't work where I can have just like one brand per shelf anymore, because I have more brands than I thought I would have and just not enough space. I'm also going to use this time to take out some things that I just do not use like that anymore, and whether it just didn't work for my hair or I just found out that I just wasn't using it as much, I am going to take those things out. I actually already started to, and I have like a whole bag worth of stuff that I plan on donating to people who are also natural and could use it, and just, you know, see if their hair likes it. If you guys would like, I can do a video on that as well. I'm not the biggest fan of me doing those kind of videos, just because, like, you already know, some people are gonna feel like I am bashing a brand or whatever just because I don't like to use it anymore, but that's really not the case. And if you guys are interested, just leave a comment below and I will be happy to do that for you guys. Also, I am not going to go into great detail about every single product that you guys see here, because for the most part you should have seen it in other videos that I have posted. But if you see something that you don't remember me sharing with you guys, or you just would like an update on it, just let me know in the comments below and I will be happy to do that as well. So pretty much what I envision for my shelves is just grouping them up based off of what they are, and I have 7 shelves, so I plan on grouping them by pre-shampoos and shampoos together, conditioners, deep conditioners, and like hair masks, leave-in conditioners, creams and butters, gels, and oils, and like other little moisturizers that I can use throughout the week if it's not wash day. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna take everything off, and then I'm going to regroup them, and then I'm going to put them back on the shelves based off how I want them. Hopefully this works out the way I envision it. We shall see. Stay tuned. Okay, so I really had no idea how much stuff I had until I took all of this out. Like, this is a little ridiculous, just a little, because I know I don't use half of this stuff, so I'm really glad I'm doing this. Alright guys, so I just finished grouping up all my products based off of like what they are. So let me show you guys before I put them back. Over there is my pre-poos. I only have like 3 pre-poos over there, like some clay and like the Miel moisturizing overnight conditioner, and then the rest of them is shampoo. So you guys see, I actually didn't even know I had this much shampoo, so this is why I'm glad I'm doing this, because I know that I do not need to buy any more shampoo for quite a while. So yeah, and these are all shampoos that I have liked in the past, so I'm gonna hold on to those. And then right here I have some conditioners, and I really don't have a lot of conditioner just because I usually jump straight to deep conditioners, but I have a few here that I've liked in the past, so I'm gonna hold on to them, just, you know, maybe I'll use them as a pre-poo or something. And then right next to it I have very few deep conditioners, which makes me sick to my stomach, y'all, because I need to deep condition my hair more often. So the fact that I only have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deep conditioners make me a little sick. So I'm actually just gonna group the conditioner and the deep conditioners together, and they can go on one shelf by themselves. And then next to it I have a couple co-washers that I have. Actually 2 of these are the same, And then I have the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. Y'all know that I love the Dew, but I ran out of that, but that would go there as well. And it's only like 3 things, it'd be 4, so I'm gonna pair that with something else. Over here, what's this? These are my leave-in conditioners. I have a ton of leave-in conditioners, like for no reason, because I also have, like, I have 3 of these. I have one that's pretty much empty, that actually needs to be tossed. But I have 2, one that's not open, and then one that I guess I just started on. And then I have a few other things in the back, some more leave-ins. And then over here is I decided to just name this like my styler section instead of like creams and butters, because it ended up being more than I thought it would be. Like curl activators, y'all know I love my Talia Wajid. And then I have like the Dew, the Mousse Def, for example, which is not a cream, it's not a butter, but I wouldn't count it necessarily as a leave-in, even though you can, but it's just a styler. So I'm putting it in as my styler, and I have a ton of these. I think you've seen me use them all in the past. So, but if you see anything here that you want me to review, just let me know. And then over here I have my moisturizers and my oils. And for someone who doesn't put a lot of oil in their hair, I'm really shocked that I have so many oils, but I don't have a lot of moisturizers. 2 of them are the same thing. This is my favorite moisturizer right now that I've been using while we're on quarantine. And yeah, oh wait, what's this one over here? I actually have used this maybe twice, so I need to start using that and let y'all know how I like it. And then all these oils right here. Ignore this, it's like all my camera stuff right now, ignore that, y'all. But yeah, so a ton of oils. I don't usually use Jamaican black castor oil in my hair because it's way too thick. That's mostly for my son. And then just a whole bunch of oils I have collected over the past. And then over here on top of my scale are all my gels or my jellies. So I think you guys have seen me use just about every gel. I don't think I've done the Alikay aloe berry gel. It's not focusing. There we go. The aloe berry styling gel for y'all. So I'll try to do that for y'all. I have 2 of those though for no reason. And then these are my color gels by Gemini Naturals. You guys have seen me use these plenty of times. I didn't know if I was gonna put that with the regular gels, but I figured why not. And yes, I have a lot of gels too. And then in the middle here, I have like just random stuff that I forgot that I would need a shelf for. So like edge controls, for example. I have a lot of edge controls that I did not know I even had. I count this as an edge control because I'm not using this on my entire head. And then I have a heat protectant, but I never really put heat on my hair like that, so that just sits there. And then random little like product samples that I've gotten in the past that I don't really know where to put yet, but I will figure it out. Whew. Okay, so that's where we are. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the shelves the best way that I can. But I'm glad I'm doing this because as y'all see, I have a lot of products. And I really did not think that I had as much as I did. So it's just good to know that I legit don't have to buy almost anything for a while except for some deep conditioners because I'm just sick to my stomach at how little deep conditioners that I have. But besides that, I really need to like close my wallet because this is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. All right, let me put this stuff back in. Finished, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, at first it didn't look like pretty to me because I'm used to grouping everything up by the brand, or that's how you see it in like a store or something. But honestly, I feel so much more at peace when I look at this because I know where everything is. Like some things, yes, I might have to be like, huh, do I still have that styler? But I know I can look like right here and like pull something out. And yes, I do have that styler. Or no, I don't have that styler because I know that that's where I keep all my stylers here. So I am really happy with it, and it feels good to be organized, and I feel very organized, and it's just nice to see what my real number is, you know? Like, I did a little audit of my stuff, did a little inventory, and it's nice to know what my number is in my inventory. So I'm happy. Let me bring you guys up and close and personal and just show you guys what it is really looking like. So I didn't have space really, or like I didn't know what to do with my what is this, my edge control, so they're just going up there for now. But like I said, I have all my shampoos in one area, I have my conditioners and then my co-washes in one area, and I left that space there because I know that usually I'll also have the Dew co-wash, so I left that there. Down there I have my deep conditioners, and I left this area because I actually just ordered like 3 more deep conditioners from other brands that I haven't tried, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. So they will go right there. And then up there I have all my leave-in conditioners, which is a lot, and then I have all these stylers. So these are my creams, my custards, my butters, all that stuff that I use to like style my hair for the most part are right here. Down here I have my moisturizers and my oils, and then right next to it I have all of my gels. And then these things, like the little package things, I just don't even know what to do with them. I really need to just like give it a try, but I think that's what I'm gonna have to do so I can just figure out where to put them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. I love organizing and I like sharing this stuff with you guys. So let me know in the comments below if you would like more videos like this. Don't forget to comment if there is a product that you would like me to try on camera if I might not have already. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys for my next one. Bye.